Well, welcome back to another Monday Market Moment, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire, Hathaway, HomeServices, California Properties. We're right in the thick of the holiday season. Is the market behaving normally as it does this time of year? Well, yes, and maybe not. So we'll answer that in just a moment. But first, let's look at the latest stats. Right now, we have a total of 3,014 homes for sale throughout San Diego County. It's a drop of 82 from last week. So, okay, that part is normal. We are expecting to see inventory going down this time of year, and we are. Median list price 960,642. It's a drop from last week with an average days on market of 53, one more day than the week before. Pending sales 1767. That's an increase of 15. Okay, that part is not normal. We're not expecting to see more homes going into escrow week after week. It's an increase of 15 from last week. Median list price $825,000. No change. Average days on market 27, one more day than last week. Also, no change in the months of inventory 2.28. Here's a graph that shows total actives and total pendings. And since about a month or so ago, we have seen inventory declining as we expected. We also were seeing pendings declining, but they bumped up this week. Normal and not normal. Since last week, we saw 480 homes come on the market. That's a drop of 55 from last week, expected. Median list price 844.5, a drop from the week before. New pendings 306. That's an increase of 31. Again, not normal. 31 more homes went pending last week than the week before. Median list price 819,950. It's an increase from the week before. Average days on market 26, one fewer day. New pendings listed within the last week, 23, and new pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 120. So 7% of homes sold within a week. 39% of homes are still selling in 2 weeks or less. How many homes closed escrow last week? 283. It's a drop of 35, kind of a big drop from the week before. Median list price 830,000, lower than the week before. Median sales price 840, also lower than the week before. So both of those are lower than the week before, but we're also seeing median sales price higher than median sales price by over 1%. Average days on market 24. It's a drop of a day. Least expensive sale was in Ramona for $190,000. Carlsbad had the most expensive sale for $6.4 million. And then this is the chart showing new actives and new pendings and new closed sales. We expected to see the new actives, this trend, but we did not expect to see what's happening over the last couple, 3 weeks as far as pendings are concerned. They're going up. Kind of weird, not normal. Here's a chart that shows median list price and median sales price. And as I said, for 2 weeks in a row now, we're seeing the median sales price higher, median list price again. Pulling out the HomeDex report for November from the North San Diego County Association of Realtors. This is the report that breaks the county into 4 quadrants: East County, Metro, North County, and South County. And you can see for the month of November, across the board, median sales price was up this year versus last year. Percentage of original price received also up. Days on market lower than it was a year ago. Closed sales also down quite a bit in some cases, 14% in North County, 6%, only 6% in Metro, but down almost 32% in East County. And then this breaks it down by quadrant. In East County, you can see over the last few years, homes for sale. The gray was 2021, and then 2022 and 2023. Look how many fewer homes are for sale now than they were last year or the year before. Closed sales also way down year over year over year. Metro, which is downtown and areas around there, we actually have more homes for sale in Metro now than we did 2 years ago, but way fewer than we did a year ago. Closed sales, like I said, down only 6% in November versus last year. And then North County, you can see that how much more inventory there was last year versus the year before. We're way back down again, below where we were 2 years ago. And closed sales down, not a huge amount versus last year, but half of what it was 2 years ago. In South County, you can see fewer homes for sale now by about half over versus last year. and just a little bit lower than it was 2 years ago. And closed sales down just about 21% this year versus last year. So if you have any questions about the HomeDex report, I can send you per zip code as well. So if you want to see what the zip code and what your zip code is doing, happy to send you the report for that. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. So again, the market is kind of normal with respect to inventory, but it's not normal with respect to pendings. So it'll be interesting to see if that trend continues next week, and maybe we'll get to the point again. We have equal number of homes for sale as we do homes in escrow. Certainly, still a healthy market for sellers as interest rates have gone down and more buyers are out there. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Scan the QR code to track your home's value. Again, if you have any questions or want that report, let me know. I'm happy to send it to you. Have a great Monday and a great week.
You've been watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email request to brian@DevoreRealtyGroup.com.